Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is a simple cucumber and tomato salad. So I'm starting off with 2 cucumbers. Typically I do not peel them, the rinds do not bother me, but I also, on the other hand, like the striped looks of the tomatoes when you just peel parts of them. So that's what I did today. And I'm cutting them in slices and then quartering them. And then once I get done with that, I think I ended up using about 3 Roma tomatoes. And again, kind of make small pieces. And I try to exclude the seeds or any extra juices so it's not too liquidy in the dish. And again, I kind of just like eyeball everything to see the ratio once I have it thrown in the serving dish. Same thing with the onions. I love onions, but I do eyeball those. So I have some red onions I'm just slicing up in smaller pieces and adding that to the dish. And I always make this a couple hours ahead of time to let the vinegar and everything kind of soak in. It tastes way better that way. And once I'm done with that, I'm adding about a tablespoon of olive oil and about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then half of a lemon, the juice from a lemon. I also seasoned it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't know where that footage went, but it's not here. And then I give it a good mix. And once I have everything really well incorporated, I put an entire little package of feta on top. And then that's all you do, and then refrigerate it until you're ready to eat it. Super simple. I love cucumber salads. I actually have a different variation of this that's pretty good. I'm going to be sharing later this month, so if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.